Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to install SQLite in your laptop. So let's start. Okay, so search here SQLite 3 and we will open the first website first and then click on download. Choose pre-compile. Scroll down for Windows, pre-compile for Windows. Here it is. Choose pre-compile. Here it is, and we will download the bundle of command lines. Here it is. Click on it, the zip folder. It will start the download. Go to the download file. We will rename it, make it the simple name. Now extract it. Go back. Now cut it from here and paste into C drive. Paste here and then open it. Copy this path and then type here environment variable. Click on environment variable and then in the system variable we will go to the path, double click and then click on new, then paste here the path that we have copied, then okay and then last okay. Now we will check. Type here cmd SQLite3. We will type the SQLite3 and we will check here. Here the version is installed, SQLite version 3.50.1. Thanks so much for watching my videos.